Did you know that one man's betrayal stopped Rome from conquering all of Europe? In 9 AD, General Varus marched 20,000 Roman soldiers deep into the dark German forests. He trusted his guide completely, a young Germanic prince named Arminius, who had been raised in Rome and trained as a Roman officer, but Arminius was playing the long game. For years, he had secretly united the scattered German tribes while pretending to serve Rome faithfully. Now he was leading Varus straight into a trap. The Romans found themselves trapped in dense woods, where they couldn't form their famous battle lines. For 3 horrific days, German warriors attacked from every shadow. Roman discipline crumbled as panic spread through the ranks. When Varus realized his trusted friend had betrayed him, he fell on his sword rather than face capture. 3 entire legions were wiped out, nearly 20,000 men dead. Rome never recovered from this disaster. They abandoned all plans to conquer Germany forever. One man's brilliant deception changed the map of Europe and saved Germanic culture from Roman rule.